So in this section we will see the neural network components. So we can see in the picture we are having the various layers, that is yellow layer, blue layer, greenish layer and base color layer. So the outmost yellow layer is nothing but the input layer. This particular layer is the input layer. Neuron is the basic unit of neural network. They receives the input from an external source. It's not necessary always the neuron will receive the input from the external source. It can receive the input from other nodes as well. So neurons are responsible for receiving the input from the external source or other nodes. Then each node is connected with another node from the next layer. We can see in the diagram in the neural network architecture. Each and every node is connected to another node from the next layer. The input layer nodes are connected from hidden layers, then the hidden layer nodes are connected to again hidden layer, and then they are connected to the output layer. So each node is connected with another node from the next layer, and each such connection has a particular weight. When the nodes are connected to each other, they are connected by some particular weight. Weights are assigned to a neuron based on its relative importance against the inputs. When all the node values from the yellow layer are multiplied along with their weight, they are summarized. Then they generates the value for the first hidden layer. And based on the summarized value, the blue layer, that is the hidden layer, has the predefined activation function that determines whether or not this node will be activated and how we are going to activate. So when we are summarizing that, we are having the activation function, and that determines the node can be activated, and if it is activated, how active it will be. The layers or the hidden layers between the input and output layers are nothing but the hidden layers. It is called hidden layer. Why? Because it is always hidden from the external world. The main computation of a neural network takes place in these hidden layers. So the main computation is done in between these hidden layers only. So the hidden layer takes all the inputs from the input layer, performs the necessary calculation to generate the particular result. This result is then forwarded to the output layer so that the user can view the result of computation. And that's why the user can only see the inputs given and the output. They can't see the hidden layer where the computation work is going on, and that's why these layers are called as the hidden layers. So the working of neural nets. We will build the neural network starting with the feed forward step, where we are trying to calculate the predictive output. So in other words, we just need to build the different layers involved in the network. Layer 0 is the input layer. Our training set read as matrix, we can call it as X. Layer 1 is obtained by applying the activation function, that is A dash is equal to sigma Wx plus B, in the case performing the dot multiplication between input layer 0 and synapses matrix sin 0. Layer 2 is the output layer, which is obtained by the dot multiplication between layer 1 and its synapses sin 1. So this is in general the working of neural nets. Basically we have seen the components of neural network, which contains the neuron, input layer, output layer and the hidden layer. In our next section we will see the layers of neural networks and deep learning. Thank you.